Hi friend, welcome back this session. This is Django session, friends. Yeah, and Django is nothing but web development. You you can develop the website by using Django also. Django is Python web framework. Okay, friends. Yeah, very easily you can develop website by using Django framework. It's fast loaded, and very easily easily we can develop website. Yeah, friend. We are going to start with project. Yeah, Django first project. Django. Let's start programming project here. Just first we need to open command prompt, like just there, and we need to create Python. We need to create friends Python project. How can we create project, friends? You need to remember that command only by using Django -admin start project in project name. Project name, just type anything, project one. Okay, like web project one. Okay, web project one. Just it's take sometimes, and we need to change the directory, like we need to move that directory inside this, so we need to use it like cd, its command. By using cd means change the directory, friends. Yeah, web project one is there. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, web project one. Okay, this is our project name, and after that we need to create app, Python app, by using this command, Python -py start app. App name should be anything like just test app. This is app name. Okay, and this is project name. Okay, just press enter. Okay, friend. Wait. Yeah, just wait. We may take some time. Don't worry. Write again Python -py start app test app. Press enter. Okay, just see. Yeah, already it's created. Now we can check by using, see that inside there manager.py will be there, and this is our app name. This is a project name. Okay, now we'll see in how to create the Python project by using Python manager.py start app test app. This is app name. See above by this command Python -py sorry Django admin start app test. By using this command, we will create Python applications like project name. Yeah. Okay. Then one thing, main we created. Then how we will be run this project? Just Python -py run server. This will be run with a default port number. Default port number will be like 8000, and this is total URL. If we copy these URLs, and once you go on browsers, just mm, copy these URLs and go on browsers and paste there. Yeah, go on browser and paste there. See, this project is done like that. It's successfully created and are running. Now you're saying this is our local systems, local host name, and this is URLs. This is port numbers. Okay, saying this install works successfully. Whatever you install, like which created application project, it's works successfully. Congratulations. Why is this page is coming? Because debug is true. By default inside settings, we will see there also. Just open that things. See, see, see that. You see now inside the B2T folders inside we created application. Application name will be means project name will be web project one. Okay, inside few folder will be created internally. This is app, test app, this is app, and this is our project. Whatever created inside project subfolder will be also there. Settings.py and also there like urls.py, wsgi.py, asgi.py, underscore init underscore.py. This is nothing but treated as package. Yeah, okay. This is special for this. Yeah, and like also will be there. This is empty folder. Okay, no issue. And inside test tab, inside application folders, also created subfolders like migration. We'll talk about later. Uh, we'll talk later about migrations. Okay, and init folder will be there. Yeah, init folders means it's treated as packages. Okay, and admin.py, app.py, models.py. We'll talk later. What will you work up the models.py? Mainly, you can understand models.py is totally related to database. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. No. Created application and project will be created. We created successfully. After that, we need to open like project folders inside setting.py. Go there. Yeah. See, this code will be written by programmers only. It is implicitly written by Django developer teams. Yeah, there is one section will be there installed app. In there we need to add our applications. What will be the name of our app? Test app dot py like that. But just you need to add this. Okay, and nothing. Then I'm going to just add this app name inside settings.py inside installed apps. Okay, add there. Observe successfully. Observe clearly there. Yeah, okay. And we need to go urls.py. Yeah, that add one thing. So path, urls name. We are adding B2T. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Include site testapp.url. Nothing. Include path. No need to add anything. Just B2T inside add views dot home. Yeah, okay. We need to import these things also there from testapp dot view from testapp import. We know already all the things. Yeah, in the this is a model Like this is import modules will be there. Inside modules, we covered this already about how it's will be working. Yeah. Go inside views.py from test tab. This is app name. Inside one folders, inside one file will be there. Views.py like that. Go there. Yeah. See views.py. Then inside create one function. Function name is home. Home. Pass one argument. Request will be that argument. Yeah. See return HTTP response. They add some things. Hello, welcome to Django by B2T. See, just I'm going to run on the refreshing, reloading this page. See, error will come. Yeah, saying page not found. Yeah, definitely we configure our own URLs. That name will be B2T. Yeah, just type here inside that B2T. Yeah, so, yeah. Now it's saying name errors B2T. Name HTTP response is not defined. Yeah, definitely this is our expected errors. So don't worry. Now go there and import things from Django.http import HTTP response. Let's see. Once refresh this, yeah, came na outputs. We'll zoom these things. Yeah, see this came na outputs. Hello, welcome to our Django. Welcome to Django by B2T. Yeah. See, na? Yeah, this is our first project, and then there's uh, our first project. First, let's see. Once we press like this will be our first project. Yeah, see now what we did. Have any idea? Just I'm going to create one running nodes also in this folders. That file names will be running dot txt. Yeah, what we did today, like there. First things, yeah, how to create project. See there by using Python manage.py. Sorry, no. How to create project? We are getting project now. Django hyphen admin start app tester. Sorry, bro. Yeah, Django start project. There is project name. Project name. Yeah, and there how to create app. See by using this command python manage.py start app name. Okay, we did these things. Yeah, okay. Yeah, then how to see there how to run Django project. See here step by step. Python manage.py run server. Yeah, by using these things we'll do. Just how to create app, it's fine. See how to create app by using Python manage.py start app test. Yeah, and another way also will be there. So currently I'm not going to show that way. So no worry. First we need to export one way. After that, definitely we will also export another way also. So I'm not going to show another way. So right, follow these things. After that we did. After that we did something configuration. Configuration. What configuration we did? Setting.py inside settings.py create something like that, na? App name inside, where inside install, yeah, there we add these things, yeah, app name, there we add our app name, yeah, several things are there now, so don't worry, yeah, but nothing, just opens urls.py. There we did what we did. There's importing from test app from app name. Yeah, from app name import views.py. Okay, there's your path. Yeah, B2T. Yeah. That views.py. Sorry, views.home. This is our view functions name of the views functions. Yeah, okay. After that we did inside app folders. What we did once views.py will be there, no? What there's views.py will be there. Yeah, views.py will be there. There we created there we wrote our views functions. Also, what will the name of views functions? Just copy theirs, no? These things. Yeah, yeah. See, this is our running notes we created and we will do every day. Yeah, and next video we'll learn more things. Yeah, so please like and subscribe our channels name you know already, B2T. Yeah, B2T stand for fan basic to talk. Yeah, definitely friends, we will guide you each and everything. So, yeah, this is bits to create. Yeah, and we'll guide more things in another video. Yeah, friends. Yeah, few fun trivias how to create project. Need to remember these things how to create project. Yeah, okay, and how to create app by using this command, and how to run Django project. Yeah, this in configurations. Yeah, okay, that's point will be there. Thank you, friends, and have a good day. Best wishes from B2T teams. Yeah, but please like and subscribe the channels. Yeah, definitely it will be helpful for you. And I will make uh, for another video also. So you don't worry, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.